let's get ready to do our sun salutation. A salutation is when you say hello. So if you say hello to somebody, if you say ni hao, if you say bonjour, if you say hola, you're saying hello and you're giving a salutation in different languages. So now, let's say hello to the sun, the ball of energy, the star that gives us light and heat. I know the heat that the sun gives me, I love it. So ready? Everybody put your hands on your belly, big belly breath in, and breathe out. And repeat after me. I shape a circle, then one more. I fold in half and touch the floor. Everybody go touch, 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 touch. Good job. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now put your hands on your knees. Stretch your neck out like this. We're going to start drumming because I think some horses are coming. Here come the horses. They're getting closer. They're getting closer. Everybody put your hands on your knees. Take a big belly breath in. Everybody go. And I kick my feet back. 1, 2. And drop right away. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good job. I pull myself forward and let out a hiss. So everybody watch my belly. It gets bigger as I breathe in. Let your belly touch the floor. Stick your neck up all the way in the air. And everybody, let me hear you hiss. Go. Good job. Ready? Downward dog. I lift my bottom to the sky like a doggy, like this. Everybody take a big belly breath in. And everybody go woof, 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 woof. Good job. Ready? I drop to my knees and I breathe dragon's fire. So first of all, a dragon's tail is where the fire comes out of. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift up our knee and kick out our dragon tail like that. And then with the opposite hand, we're going to lift our hand up like this. And now everybody breathe in, bring your elbow in, bring your knee in, and go. Good job. Let's do the other side. Everybody ready? Kick your dragon tail out. Put your arm up. Everybody breathe in. And if you were wobbly and if you fell over, it's okay, because when I first started doing this, I was wobbly too, and then I kept on trying and I did belly breathing and I was able to do it strong. So good job. Everybody open your knees, put your feet together. I curl up like a little mouse. Everybody breathe in. Let me hear you squeak. Go squeak, 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 squeak. Good job. And I stand up tall like a big, strong house. Everybody show me your muscles. Go like this. What you gonna do when Yogarate runs wild on you, brother? I'm just silly. Ready? And I reach. And I reach. And I reach for my toes. Everybody grab your toes. Say hi, toes. Everybody take your fingers. Grab onto your big toe and pull yourself down. Now stand up slow. Breathe in. And show me a silly pose. You guys did awesome. High five. And breathe in. Namaste. Aya!